Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Gelato products with Shopify, beginner guide step by step clearly. To update Gelato products with Shopify, start by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to the products section. Find the product you wish to update. Click on the product name to open the product details page. Review the information displayed, including title, description, and images. To change the product title, simply click on the title field and enter the new title. For editing the description, click on the description box and make your changes. If you need to update the product images, scroll to the images section. Click on the Add Image button to upload new images or drag and drop images directly. To remove an existing image, hover over the image you want to delete and click the X icon. Next, check the pricing information. Update the price field as necessary. If you want to adjust the inventory, scroll to the Inventory section. Modify the inventory quantity or toggle the Track Inventory option as needed. Next, review the shipping settings. Ensure the weight and shipping information is accurate. If applicable, adjust the product's variants under the Variants section. Make any necessary changes to options like size or color. Once all updates are complete, scroll to the bottom of the page. Click the Save button to apply your changes. After saving, review your product listing to confirm that all updates are correct. You may now proceed to repeat these steps for any other Gelato products you wish to update. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.